Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I show you how to download and set up Python in your Windows 10 desktop and laptop. First of all, open any browser. I will open Google Chrome browser and then search Python. Click this link and I will give this link in the description box. And click here download, then click download Python 3.10.4. click here and save. It's now starting download. I had already downloaded, so I cancel it. Then we need to download one IDE, which is help to write and run program. And new open tab, here type Pycharm download. This is the link. I gave you this link in the description box. Click here. Then here have two options, professional and community. We need to download community because this file is free. So download and save. This starting downloaded. Now I have already downloaded, so I cancel it. And this is Python. Double click here and install now. It's starting to install. Install successful. Click here close. Then we need to install Pycharm community version. Double click here. And allow permission, yes. Then next, then .py file and add the project admin part. The desktop shortcut. Click here all. Next, the install. Starting to install. Now install complete and click here finish and close our browser. And this is the file app. Click here, double click. It's opening. Okay. And click a new project and your project name. One, create. Now you can write any program here. If you like my video, then comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.